iPhone 12p pound receiver cable replacement operation. This is an iPhone 12p with iOS 18.1 system that automatically detects light and Face ID is not available. Take out the Pound Out 3 repair instrument. Plug in main set sensor pair expansion board. Will automatically jump to the relevant page. Take out Pound receiver cable. Buckle the cable onto the repair expansion board. Test display normal. Plug in the mobile phone data cable to connect the mobile phone. Test display bind. Show write success. Detection display exists data. Turn off the phone and install the cable on the phone. Automatic light sensing and Face ID have been successfully repaired.